Hello traders, Jan again from Binary Trader, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary options trading. Today I will show you how to use the Bollinger Bands indicator to trade binary options effectively. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for the support. Let's start. I am trading at Pocket Option. You can find the platform link in the description as usual. First of all, let me introduce the membership functionality. From now on, you can join my channel, and as a member you will receive loyalty badges over time, and your comments will be answered in priority. Be aware that membership is completely optional. Nothing will change for non-member visitors. Everyone can still watch my weekly videos. Do not waste more time, and let's get the strategy I'd like to show you today. Today I will use the Bollinger Bands indicator. It has three parts. The middle line is a simple moving average. The first parameter of the indicator is the period of this moving average. The upper and lower lines are called upper and lower bands and are constructed by adding and subtracting the standard deviation of the candle close prices to and from the middle line. There is a second last parameter of the indicator called deviation, which controls how many times we add to and subtract from the middle line. Price is bouncing between the bands most of the time, but sometimes it moves out a bit. And sometimes it keeps going further away. In this case, the bands are somewhat opening up, like here. We will place trades when this happens. Let's get to Pocket Option. If you would like to try trading at this platform, follow the platform link in the video description. I will use 1-minute candles for the chart. I set trade duration to 1 minute also. It works on different time frames too, but I like to trade mostly on 30 seconds and 1 minute. Among the indicators, I select Bollinger Bands. Set the period to 13. Set the deviation to 2. As you have noticed, the green cloud became bigger by this. Choose some pairs with decent payouts. And let's look for a setup. We look for an opportunity where a candle is closing outside of the bands, while the upper and lower bands are opening up. Until I find one, you can press the like button to show your appreciation and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss upcoming content. Do not forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps and means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Here a green candle is about to close outside of the bands, first for a long time. And the bands are opening up. When the candle closes outside, I will place a bet in the upward direction. I place the bet. Always wait for the candle to close before placing. If you can't bear staring at the chart, feel free to take a break. The trade will play out in your absence. You can perform any analysis afterwards. Here is a similar situation to the previous one. Had to wait like 10 minutes for a new one to come. But as I always tell, patience is the most important skill in trading. I'm a bit tired of running through all the different pairs constantly, so I might wait here until the setup appears. The market is constantly moving and repeating its patterns, so if you are patient enough, you can bump into right setups just by waiting at a single pair. Do not forget to check payout levels regularly, as those might decrease over time and different pairs come up. While waiting here, press the like button if you enjoy the video, and consider subscribing if you like my content in general. Do not forget to select all notifications. Really just a few clicks for you, but helps and means a lot to me. This candle was closing exactly at the upper band. The opening is steep, but I might wait for another candle, as there was a strong resistance at this level last time, and I'm not sure if that's still there, or will be defeated and turn into support. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want your question to be answered in priority, consider joining my channel as a member. I introduced the membership functionality, so you can get perks like loyalty badges and faster reply to comments. I got lots of comments, and it's getting harder to answer all, as I'm still a single person behind this channel. Do not worry, membership is completely optional. My weekly videos still will be available for free. I'm constantly thinking about other perks for another membership levels, but my time is very limited. I know from the comments that many of you are asking for my ID to perform copy trading. I'm not a fan of that, to be honest. I would like to help you guys to learn how to trade on your own instead. Copy trading does not help you at all. Of course, I have losing streaks as everyone else has. If you start following my or others' signals when there is a bad series, copying might burn your account while you sleep. If you follow someone in a good series, you might make some money, become too confident in those signals, increase the risks, and got burnt again. You need to invest the time to learn trading. There is no shortcut for it. It's not rocket science, everyone can learn. But it's a profession, and you need to dedicate yourself to it. You also don't expect to become a professional shoemaker in a week or two. Here the opening of the bands is not as steep, but these big momentum candles gives me plenty of confidence to enter. Let's wait the close of the candle. This was a nice setup. We are late here. Though the opening is extreme, momentum candles are in place. I might enter with half amount. This will be my last trade. If I fail, I will run away with my 5,000 gain. That's still decent, and I don't want to trade longer. Trading for too long is a recipe for mistakes and serious losses. My only concern is that I had no downward trade in this session, so I could not show an example for that. But I can't manipulate the market, of course. Anyway, I guess you found out the other half of this strategy. If a red, bearish candle closes under the lower band, and the opening is steep, you should place a bet in the downward direction. Nice, almost 20k gain. Though this trade was very risky for two reasons. One reason is that the candle was already going in the direction I wanted to trade. So it could have ended like a smaller green candle, and in that case I would have been losing, while having good analysis. Another reason is psychological. If you take very risky trades and win them, you will become overly confident, thinking you can't lose, and you will lose focus, control, and take crazy risks mindlessly. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please press the like button. If you like my content in general, consider also subscribing to my channel so you won't miss new uploads. Feel free to ask any further questions in the comment section. If you want to make sure your question is answered in priority, consider joining my channel as a member. If you haven't done yet, after pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel, of course, and selecting all notifications, use the link in the video description below to sign up to Pocket Option and start trading. Use the promo code to earn 50% extra on your first deposit. Thank you very much for watching my video. I wish you successful trading. See you next time.